So students, let's begin with question number 11. Construct an equilateral triangle with side 6 cm. We have to first construct an equilateral triangle, and after that we have to construct in circle of this triangle. In circle means the circle which is inside the triangle. Okay. So inside the triangle means the circle's circumference should touch the three sides of the triangle and the circle should be proper inside it. How to draw it? Just see. But first we will draw the equilateral triangle. Look at here. First we will draw the rough sketch. BC side is 6 cm. AC, AB, all the sides are 6 cm. Okay. So first understand it. Draw the equilateral triangle properly. Take the length 6 cm. Write its name BC. It is 6 cm. And we have to draw all the sides 6 cm. So we will take this same length, 6 cm length only, and cut an arc here and cut another arc here. Okay. Now this point you have to join with B and C properly with the help of scale. This is the equilateral triangle. All the sides are 6 cm. Now we have to draw its in circle. So to draw the in circle, first of all we will bisect angle B and C. To bisect we will make first an arc and measure this arc first. Measurement should be like this. Now make one arc here. Put your compass here, make another arc here. Now you have to join this two point. This is called angle bisector. This angle is bisected into two equal half. Again the same thing we will do here, this side. Put your compass at point B. First we will make an arc. Now measure this arc by putting your compass properly. Measure it. Now make one arc this side. Put your compass here. Make another arc this side. Both the arc should coincide with, should intersect each other. Measurement should be proper so that there will be no mistake. This two arc is intersecting at this point. Now you have to join. This is also angle bisector. This is also angle bisector. Both are intersecting at point O. Now you have to draw perpendicular on this BC from point O. So you will keep your compass at point O properly and make an arc which should cut this side BC at 2 points. So I am going to make an arc which is cutting BC at 2 points. Which 2 points? This point and this point. Okay. Now put your compass here and make an arc. Put your compass with the same measurement. This arc we have made. With the same measurement, you have to put your compass at this point. And make an arc here. Now this point and this point you have to join. This should be a proper perpendicular on this BC. This perpendicular is intersecting BC at point this. This point you have to mark properly. Why? Because this O to this point I am going to take the radius. O to this point. Okay, this is our radius of circle. Now you have to draw circle. Now draw the circle by taking this radius. Okay. You can see this circle is touching these triangles all the three sides and it is properly inside this triangle. Got it? How to draw the in circle? Simple. First you have to draw the triangle, then bisect its two angle. The intersecting point of this bisector, you will keep its name as O. From point O you will make one arc here, and arc is intersecting BC at this 2 point, and put your compass here, make one arc here, again here to here one arc. This point and this O you have to join. This is our perpendicular on BC, and this perpendicular is intersecting at point this. Now you take O to, suppose its name is D. O to D as a radius and draw the circle. Simple. Now see question number 12. Question number 12 is saying that construct a triangle PQR with PQ side given and two angles are given. You have to locate its circumcenter and draw its circumcircle. This time you have to draw circumcircle. I will tell you how to draw circumcircle, but first of all we will draw the triangle PQR whose two angles and one of the side is given. Let's see how. This is the rough sketch of the triangle. PQ side is 6.7 centimeter. One of the angle is 60 degree. The other angle is 90 degree. So PQ side we will draw 6.7 centimeter. 6.7. This is 6.7. Okay, write its name as P and Q. At its Q point we will make 90 degree and at P point we will make 60 degree. How to draw 90 degree? You know, first we will make one arc. Now put your compass at this point. Make one arc here with the same opening. This I have made here 90 degree. One cut here, here to here one and here to here one, and join this. I have made it longer because you will understand why I have made it longer. See here 60 degree, you know, first make one arc with the help of compass only I have done. You will also do with compass only, and just make one cut. This one cut is your 60 degree. Now we will join this 60 degree with this 90 degree side like this properly. It will go longer, then it will intersect here. It is intersecting somewhere here. This point we will name it R. Okay, PQR is our triangle. Now we have to draw circumcircle of this triangle. So to draw the circumcircle, we will bisect two sides, this side and this side. So how to bisect the side? Very simple. You have to take more than half. Suppose it is half, more than half of this length. Suppose this is half, more than this, more than half. Cut one arc here, one arc down. Put your compass here with the same length, more than half, which you have taken that side, and cut another arc here. Here to here. Here to here. Okay, and then again here to here. Here to here. You can see it is intersecting here and at this point. Now you have to join this. Now you have to make, this is the perpendicular bisector of this PQ, means this line segment we have divided into two equal half. For this what I did, we have taken more than half of this length. Okay, now again this length I am going to bisect. So you can take more than half of this length also. Suppose this is point P and you are going to keep your compass here and open your compass. It should be more than half of this. More than half is coming. हाफ से ज्यादा. ओके, नाउ make one arc here, another arc here. Put the compass here, make another arc here. Where I have put the compass? At point R. Okay, and again you have to make another arc here at this point. Again you will make arc. Let us join it so that it will join. More than half of this length we have taken. Now I am going to join this point and this point with the help of scale. Okay, you can take longer scale also if it is not joining. Like this you have to join these two intersecting point. Okay, now this and this should intersect somewhere. It is not intersecting, so you will make it longer. This perpendicular bisector, put your scale again here and make it longer. Both are intersecting at point this. Suppose this point is O. Okay, now this point you have to take as radius. Put your compass here, take radius this O to P and O to Q and O to this point R will be all equal in length. Okay, so you can take radius as O to Q or O to P or O to R and draw a circle like this, putting your compass at this point. Okay, draw a circle like this. Okay, you can see it properly. This circle, this is called circumcircle, means this triangle is just inside this circle, and in circle means circle is inside the triangle and circumcircle means triangle is inside the circle. Got it? And this point is called circumcenter. Circumcenter, because from this point only we have drawn, taking radius as OP, OQ or OR, and we have drawn the circle. So this is called circumcenter. Got it? And this point is called in center. In circle's point will be in center. This will be circumcenter. Now question number 13 and 14 we will deal in the next video.